beautiful people. Hi my lovelies, hi my OGs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Melody Onyebuchi and you're in Gewmel space. You are so welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back.
Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day.
On this video, I'll be teaching you how to do a full cut crease. So if you're interested, if you're a beginner, I don't know how to go about it, I'm giving you tips on how to do that. So don't go nowhere, stay tuned, I'll be right back. Ahead to put on your transition shade, and for my transition shade I used a bronze, like my bronzer shade, like the shade I used to contour the outer corner of my nose. I used that to set my eyes. Shotibo! I don't know why I said that like that, but it means, do you understand? After that, guys, the next thing you want to do is to go with your a darker color. Oh, I made a mistake there. I was supposed to use a darker color of brown, like a darker color of brown, and I went and used I was supposed to use a lighter color of brown, like not too dark, not too light, and I went and used black, something, but it's looking like brown there. I'm going to correct that quickly, and to correct that I'm going to just use a lighter color of brown. I will just place that on top of the darker shade I have there. Guys, make sure to blend that out. And when you're doing a cut crease, try to do the both eyes at the same time. As you're doing this one, be doing this one, so that the both of them will look as identical as possible. Then you want, after that, after blending it out, guys, for a cut crease you want to go this way, like you want to create like a wing kind of blending. You don't blend in a circular motion like this. You want to blend like this, like in a wing way, as if you're winging out your eye, you know. That is how you're going to blend it out. You're going to blend it by bringing it out. Asen. When you're done blending out, guys, just do that to the both eyes. When you're done with that, just go ahead to blend everything together with your bronzer color, the same brush you use to apply your transition shade. Just use that to blend out the darker color you have there. Do that to the both eyes. The next thing you want to go with is your primer, your eyeshadow primer. And for my eyeshadow primer, I'll be using this primer. I'll put that on my description box. I'll be using this primer. This primer, I'm going to just put a little bit on my palm, and I'll use my flat brush to apply. This is another tip, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. To do a cut crease is very simple. The only thing you need to do is just to apply a bit of the primer on your eyelid and open your eyes like this. Bam! Don't finish. You get to see a line up there. Use that line and the blend and the darker shade of eyeshadow you placed on your eyes earlier. Use that as a guide for your eyeshadow. You understand now? As seen. Another tip, guys. This is tip number 20. I'm sorry I'm not counting. Try to use this flat part, this sharp part. Use this sharp part to draw the curve. Just use it to join the whatever this thing you have there. Shikena, you're done. When you're done with that, guys, the next thing you want to do is to wait for it. The next thing you want to do is to go with your finger. Your finger. Use your finger. Use your finger to blend out the primer. When you're done blending out the primer, you set your eye. You set your lid. Set your eyelid. Who says they don't set eyelid with pressed powder? Says who? You can set it with pressed powder, and you can also set it with your translucent powder. As seen. Wait. Who says you cannot apply your eyeshadow with a blending brush? Says who? Watch me do that. All you need to do is to go with your a good primer, then you set your eyes with a pressed powder, a translucent powder. Then you go with your brush. Take your brush, get your eyeshadow, your eyeshadow color as seen. Just put the brush in there and tap it on. Just don't blend, just dab it on your eyes, on the corner you want to put it, and you're done. As seen. Who says you can't use glitters when you're doing a cut crease? Says who? You can. Watch me do that. Before I get carried away and continue playing till this video ends, please make sure to use a glitter primer for your glitters, so your glitter sticks on your eyes, so it doesn't fall off on your face. Try to use a glitter primer. Just place it on the back of your palm. Take a little bit of the glitter, put on the glitter primer, and place it where you want to place it. Shake it now. Hold on. Who says you can't use a dark color on the inner corner of your eyes? Says who? I was scared though. At first I was scared, but I just had to do it because hey, I was seeing promises. It was promising. I just had to do it. I just had to do it, guys. Says who? So I have the right to say says who. Watch me do it. I'm using pink. Pink. I see. I'm going to go ahead to use my eyeshadow as a liner. All you need to do is spray your setting spray on the tip of your eyeliner applicator. Pew, pew. When you're done, you take that tip, that wet tip, remove some product of that color of eyeshadow you want. Use it to like rub it there, and then you just pew. You're done. Shake it now. I've seen. See, I'm feeling myself. Gege. The next thing you want to do is to apply your eyeliner. Now, if you want to know how to do that, I'm going to also paste the link on my description box. So if you want to learn how to do your eyeliner, go there. The next thing you want to do, this is tip number 35. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to go with your bronzer shade under your eyes. You go with your bronzer shade, the shade you use to as a base for your cut crease. I don't know if you understand. That darker shade you use here, just apply that under your eyes. With applying that, apply your mascara under your eyes and on your eyelashes, like on your eyelashes and your under eye eyelashes. Apply that. Then you go with your lashes. Apply your lashes, your false lashes. When you're done applying your false lashes, see, the makeup is just coming together. Didn't I tell you guys? Trust the process. You say no. You say no. You're not going to do it. That you're stubborn. Now you're seeing it now. Guys, after that, you just want to set the whole of your face. After popping on your eyelashes and putting on your blush and putting on your pressed powder all over your face, blending out your nose and you know all those clinical details, just need to like a pro set the whole of your face with your setting spray. I tried as much as I could to make this video as fun as possible. I hope you liked this video. I hope you were able to grab some things, you know. So if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to click the notification option if you want to get notified each time I post another video. I love you guys. Please, if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe, because this baby girl needs your subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I love you. See you on my next video.
Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.